Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the quick steps to log in to your SoFi account. Whether you're using a computer or a mobile device, following these instructions will help you access your account seamlessly. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the SoFi website or app. Begin by launching your web browser and navigating to the SoFi official website at www.sofi.com. Alternatively, if you're using a mobile device, open the SoFi app, which you can download from the App Store or Google Play Store. Step 2. Locate the login button. On the home page of the SoFi website, look for the login button, typically located at the top right corner. If you're using the app, you'll see the login option prominently displayed on the main screen. Step 3. Enter your credentials. Click or tap on the login button. You will be prompted to enter your email address and password associated with your SoFi account. Make sure to double check for any typing errors in your credentials. Step 4. Two-factor authentication, if enabled. If you have set up two-factor authentication, you will receive a verification code via email or SMS. Enter this code in the provided field to proceed. Step 5. Access your account. After entering your credentials and the verification code, if applicable, click or tap the Login button again. You should now be logged into your SoFi account and can access various services and features. Step 6. Troubleshooting tips. If you encounter issues logging in, ensure that your internet connection is stable. If you forget your password, click on the Forgot Password link to reset it. Follow the on-screen instructions to retrieve access to your account. That's it. You are now ready to manage your finances with SoFi. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful tips and tutorials.